Welcome back to the channel. We've got 5 to the power of x plus 5 to the power of negative x equal to 4. And we're told to look for the values of x. Well, I'll pay attention to 5 to the power of negative x. Here we have 5 to the power of x plus, now 5 to the power of negative x can also be written as 1 all over 5 to the power of x. It's still the same thing. And this is equal to 4. Now we have 5 to the power of x here. We also have it here. So we can easily introduce substitution by saying that let 5 to the power of x be equal to y. So that means I'll be replacing this with y plus, I'll replace this with y, so I'll be writing 1 all over y. This is equal to 4. Now we have an equation with fraction. So our next step will be for us to clear the fraction by multiplying each term by y. So I'll multiply y by y plus, I'll use y to multiply 1 all over y equal to, then I'll use y to also multiply 4. Very good. So this becomes y times y, that is y squared, plus, now this y cancels out this y, leaving behind 1. This is equal to y times 4, that is 4y. Now we're going to be subtracting 4y from both sides in order to move everything to one side of the equation. So I'll subtract 4y from the left. I'll also subtract it from the right. Now on subtracting, we have y squared, now minus 4y, and now we have plus 1 to be equal to, now 4y minus 4y is 0. Very good. So we have a nice quadratic equation. And we're going to be using the quadratic formula to solve this. Our a from this quadratic equation is 1. Our b is negative 4. And our c is 1. Now let's use the quadratic formula to solve this. So we have y to be equal to negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. On substituting, we have y to be equal to minus b, so minus b is negative 4, plus or minus, now the square root of b squared, so that is negative 4 squared, minus 4 times a times c, so 4 times a times c, all over 2 times a, that is 2 times 1. So this simplifies into y equal to negative times negative is positive, so we have 4 plus or minus the square root of negative 4 squared is 16 minus 4 times 1 times 1, that is 4, all over 2 times 1 is 2. So simplifying further, y will be 4 plus or minus the square root of 16 minus 4 is 12, all over 2. Now we can actually break down this 12 into 2 factors. So we have y equal to 4 plus or minus the square root of 12 is same as 4 times 3, all over 2. Now simplifying further, y becomes 4 plus or minus the square root of 4 times the square root of 3, all over 2. Now simplifying further, y now becomes 4 plus or minus square root of 4 is actually 2 times the square root of 3, all over 2. Now let's separate the fraction. So this becomes y equal to 4 over 2 plus or minus 2 root 3 all over 2. So y becomes 4 divided by 2, that is 2, plus or minus, now this 2 can cancel out this 2, leaving behind the square root of 3. So the values of y are, we have 2 plus the square root of 3, or y is equal to 2 minus the square root of 3. Now recall from our substitution, recall that we said let the 5 to the power of x be equal to y. So we'll start with when y is equal to 2 plus the square root of 3. So substituting here, we have 5 to the power of x to be equal to 2 plus the square root of 3. Now I'll take the ln of both sides. So ln of 5 to the power of x equal to ln of 2 plus the square root of 3. Now applying the exponential rule for logarithm, this becomes x, which is the exponent, times ln 5 equal to ln of 2 plus the square root of 3. Now dividing both sides by ln of 5, so divide ln of 5, divide by ln of 5, you see that ln of 5 cancels out, leaving the value of x to be equal to ln of 2 plus the square root of 3 all over ln of 5. So this is one value for x. Now to get the other value for x, we use when y is 2 minus the square root of 3. So when y, this time, y equal to 2 minus the square root of 3. Now recall, we are doing 5 to the power of x equal to y. Now substituting the value of y here, we have 5 to the power of x equal to 2 minus the square root of 3. Now taking the ln of both sides, we have ln of 5 to the power of x equal to ln of 2 minus the square root of 3. Now applying the exponential law of logarithm, we have x times ln of 5 to be equal to ln of 2 minus the square root of 3. Now to get the value of x, we take ln of 5 to divide both sides. So I'll divide here by ln of 5, I'll divide here by ln of 5. Now ln of 5 cancels out, leaving behind x to be equal to ln of 2 minus the square root of 3 all over ln of 5. And that's our final answer and the second value for x. Well, feel free to share your ideas in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video and have learned something from this video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my upcoming videos. And like I always say, until next time, take care.